Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying this on my locks. Let's just see how it turns out. Supposedly this contains the developer and the color base, as you see at the bottom. So we're going to try this on my locks. I'm going to wash my hair first like the directions say, and then apply this shampoo to my hair, and I'll show you the finished results. I'm mostly going to focus it on the front since that's where my gray hairs are mostly that I see. So we're going to just see what it looks like. I probably need two, but focused on the front. No grays.